Hey guys, this is Dan Patrick. Here I'm going to log into a default Juniper box, set a password, turn on SSH, and then log into it. Alright, here we go. So here the default username is root. It doesn't prompt me for a password. Here I'm at the shell, so to enter the command line I have to type CLI. I'm at the command line. I'm going to do a basic show configuration so we can see what's already on it. Here we can see there's no services on it running, and also we see we're missing the mandatory statement root authentication. It won't let us commit until we configure that. Alright, so we'll go to edit mode, and now we can go to edit interfaces. We're going to edit the EM0 interface, and now we're going to set unit 0 family INET address, and here I want to put it in the same network as VBBoxNet 0, which is 192.168.56.1, which is a class C. Now I'm going to give it the .2. So 192.168.56.2/24. Enter. Alright, now we have that address set, and we can confirm it by doing a show interfaces, or just a show will show us everything. And here we see the interface we set. Now I'm going to turn on the SSH service. Do this by going set system services SSH. To confirm, we do a show system services. You see that SSH is turned on. Alright, so now if we try and commit, we're going to get an error here. It says, as I stated before, we're missing a root authentication. So this is saying we have to give it a password before it'll let us actually commit anything to the box. So we can do set system root authentication, and we want to enter the password in plain text. You can hit enter, enter a password, enter it again. Alright, now it'll let us commit. Commit complete. Now I should be able to ping my Juniper box. Alright, we see we have pings going that way. Now we should also be able to ping from this way. And we see we have two-way pings. Now we'll stop those. Alright, now we're going to test the fact that we have SSH on. So we're going to do SSH 192.168.56.2. Alright, it's making sure we agree with the that the RSA key is we trust it. Yes. And now we can see it's going to ask me for a password. And it's asked for a password for the username Dan Patrick. You don't have a user created on a Juniper box for that, so whatever password I enter in will not work. I'll just let that time out. So when you SSH, you have to use the L flag and give it a username. Now it should let us in, if I can type right. Alright, CLI, and we can see we are in the Juniper box. Alright, this was a little demo of just how to put an IP address on a Juniper box and SSH into it. Hopefully there'll be more to come. Thank you very much.